Big drama at Lagos Airport today. A female passenger, fresh off an IBM Air flight from Uyo, was caught on camera in a heated confrontation with airline staff and security officials. In the viral video, the visibly agitated woman, wearing a white top and black trousers, can be seen shouting at officials, and at one point, appearing to slap a female cabin crew member. The scene quickly drew the attention of travelers and airport staff, before police stepped in to calm things down. She was eventually taken away in a white bus, but even then, she was still trying to jump out through the window. According to the Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority, the entire drama started because she refused to obey crew instructions, including switching off her mobile device during takeoff and landing. The incident comes just days after the NCAA slammed a 6-month flight ban on Fuji Star over alleged in-flight misconduct. This story is still developing.
What did you do? What did you do?
Me. She is
Did you mean? I came with
This was
weight.
your counter.
I came with weight. I came with weight.
She's hitting me.
I
She
didn't
is
want
hitting me. She's hitting me.
They bring it down. They will bring it down.
She was giving her slap left and right.
You were slapping who?
She was slapping on her head. She strangled her like for 5 minutes. They just got her down now. She was beating her. She was beating her. She was just like trying to calm down. She was like serious slap, but she was giving to her.
For having in mind, and everyone said having in mind to do this for me. I want to know how much you want to do it for this today. And you want to be there for me, and my life. That was the now why the hell where I should I want to see the head of that
Can you remove the body part from the premium lounge?
Don't touch her because they are recording and you're going to get the exchange. You guys don't touch her. Don't touch her.